Good afternoon. This is our virtual open house for our brand new listing at 765 Hawkins Crescent here in Burlington. We're going to speak a little bit loud just to get over that plane flying overhead. So what we have here is a brand new, lovely family home in the Maple neighborhood. And Troy, what does this neighborhood have to offer?
Oh, beautiful neighborhood. Quiet streets, mature trees, short walk to the lake, 20 minutes or less, access to Mapleview, walking distance or a short drive, access to all the major arteries as well. Downtown Burlington and Central, very close. Great location.
And when everything opens up again, which should be happening soon, you can spend all your time, as Troy said, it's less than a 20-minute walk down to the lake. So bistros, the beach, hutches, really everything that makes Burlington so special is in walking distance. So let's come in and have a look.
First, we've got to say, look at this garden. So maintenance-free front yard, beautiful perennial garden. Nothing to do other than enjoy. Gorgeous landscaping, great curb appeal.
And I think the most important there is maintenance-free. Nobody likes cutting their grass, so let's save you some time on that Sunday morning.
We've got a nice wide double car garage with the man door going through from the front porch, super convenient. Let's go in and see 765 Hawkins Crescent.
So right as we enter, we're greeted with hardwood floors throughout the main floor. And just take our shoes off and we'll begin the tour. So right as you come through, you have a double-sized coat closet, which is great. And you have a side entrance for mudroom, laundry room. Also, if you have young kids, if you have pets, and the separate entrance is just, a total value add. You have a powder room here on your right, and you just get through here, show them the size of the laundry room. It's great. Lights on. Okay.
All right. Continuing with our tour through the hardwood foyer into a large living room. Nice space, open enough, but still creating a great sense of room. Through to a dining room. Again, generous sized dining room, something that's overlooked so often these days. And again, great windows. And then through to the kitchen.
One thing I do want to highlight about the layout of this home in particular, and Troy just mentioned it, it's open enough. It does have the modern feel that we are seeing in new construction and renovation projects where people are removing walls and opening things up. This has that feel. However, it still has the traditional breaks that create the separate rooms, and I think it works extremely well. And to be honest, it's not something we see too often.
No, it's definitely a unique layout for sure. And there seems to be a return to that space, that living room space. I talk to more and more people and they want a separate living room, dining room, aside from kitchen and family room.
Absolutely.
Let's make our way into the kitchen.
Open.
No compromise. We didn't have to give up. Large island, great for breakfast or casual dining. Huge doors out to the backyard, which we'll see after. Tons of counter space. Surface area is always great in prep because I know there's never enough room in our house to put things down. We're trying to pull it all together. Yeah, take it away.
But one thing I just want to highlight here, Josh, if you could just pan, it's the amount of windows. So the amount of natural light that comes through and illuminates this room is what you can see for yourself. There's 4 windows and a double sliding door. So it almost has a feeling of a bit of a sunroom, to be honest. It's great space. So as we continue through the kitchen, we're going to go into
lots of cupboards too. Tons of pantry space.
Okay, so here we are. We have a lovely fireplace. So it's, again, it has that traditional feel that really, it adds a lot of value and character to the home. It's painted brick, and it's wood burning as well. So that is
nice cozy room just
Yep.
off the kitchen. Again, nice big windows. Open them up or shut them down on those colder days. Again, great view to the backyard, deep backyard, nice deck, tons of room.
Mhm.
What a cozy room. And that texture with the brick is just right.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so we're going to take you on upstairs. And again, the amount of light that comes through this home, you can see if you have a look up here, it brings it in. It's almost every room has large windows, and it really does show.
Grand ceiling here, high, huge windows, gone with the wind staircase. Just beautiful.
Mhm. So here we have the master suite.
French doors entering.
Absolutely. King size bed to give you a bit of depth perception here. As you enter the room, you're greeted with a walk-in closet, which would be large enough to put a smile on anyone's face, that's for sure. And as we continue down, we have a private ensuite for the master. So you have a soaker tub, standing shower, best of both worlds. We can give them a view out the window too.
Again, big windows,
Operable as
overlooking
well.
tons of green space. Really nice yard. And again, perennial gardens, minimal maintenance, just enjoy.
We're saving the backyard for the end of the video because it is absolutely stunning. So, as we continue down the hall, we have a second bedroom. You can have a look. So closet on your right, second bedroom. Continuing out.
Bedroom 3, generous size, good closet space, obviously nice and bright, big windows, lots of natural light flooding in. Really a nice room.
Continuing down, we have a linen closet. You can see enough room for everything you need there. And we have another bathroom on the second level, and soaker tub, shower as well. And bedroom number 4, my favorite room of the whole house, I have to say, with the Toronto Maple Leafs. Go Leafs, go! And again, a generous sized room. It's extremely large, and 4-bedroom home. So
And one thing we should mention, if you're just joining us, we're at 765 Hawkins Crescent. Please chime in with any questions you might have. We'd love to answer them. We're offering at $943,000. Our square footage is 2180 above grade.
that's correct.
And taxes, Colin,
They're just under $4,900 per year.
very reasonable. It's a lot of value.
Okay. So that is the second story of the home. We're going to continue on down now. We're going to show you the basement. The basement is unfinished, which provides a great opportunity for anyone who'd like to come in and finish it as they see fit. A lot of my clients, when we are shopping houses, to be honest, they do have a preference for unfinished basements, just for the sole reason that they can finish it exactly how they want to. And as Troy mentioned earlier, if you have any questions, please chime in the comments section, and we'll answer them as soon as we can. So coming down, it is a large open space. So the possibilities here are endless. You know, if you have children, enough room to have a rec room. You could put a second, you could have an office down here, another bedroom if you'd like. Really, the size is here.
Absolutely. And I love how you come down and it opens up immediately. You don't have to do a little chicane around a post or a wall or a return to get into the basement. You come down the stairs and you're right into usable space, which is fantastic. So as Colin said, huge potential. You know, keep it open and unfinished for mini hockey, crafts, arts, that kind of thing. Let the kids go wild.
That's
Or in my life, or giant giant potential with minimal finishing. You could make this amazing usable space.
It's
Nice high ceiling, even finished, you're going to have a high ceiling, which is great. I don't have to worry about ducking under here, so.
Troy has to worry about that a few more times than I do. So as you can see, just what, the takeaway here in the basement is the size. It's totally open, and frankly, you could do anything you wanted with this space. As you can see, it continues, it goes. Okay, well, we're going to continue on with our virtual tour, and we're going to head out to the backyard, and hopefully there's a few questions we can address from our viewers, and you're certainly in for a treat. We're going to continue on and right through the kitchen. And again, this is a great setup just because the door's right out of the kitchen. So if you're preparing food, you're hosting a party, once that's allowed, very easy access. Kitchen to the backyard. So would make hosting very, very easy.
Well, so I love the location of this large island right next to the double sliding doors. You've got deck here that expands. If you're doing buffet, set everything up here. I mean, it just flows so great for entertaining.
So we have so it's a private deck. You can see there's a bit of privacy screen up. And one thing that I'm really going to have to show you is I'm going to just go grab her shoes. Sorry.
Look at the garden. Again, beautiful perennial garden. Minimal work. Sit back, enjoy. Great space, lots of privacy. Nice deep water. And this deck, tons of room. We've got 2 tables here. Again, great for entertaining, sitting, enjoying. Double umbrella potential. I mean, I just love the way it wraps around the kitchen. Fantastic.
Okay. So anyone who can appreciate a garden will certainly find whatever they're looking for here. The garden runs around the perimeter of the yard. I'd say we're talking maybe about 6 to 7 feet in depth, and it runs the entirety of the property. So that has opportunities for gardens, as it is right now, flowers. And if you wanted to do something, veggie patches, and the space is here. And as you can see, it's a beautiful, beautiful space. It's like a little oasis in the city.
Oh, it really is. Tons of room, especially with the new trend toward homesteading. As Colin said, you could have veggie gardens, you could plant some fruit trees. I mean, we're one step away from having chickens.
And one thing too we can highlight here is just mature trees. A lot of the neighborhoods, I wouldn't say a lot of the neighborhoods, in some neighborhoods, especially North Burlington, they're a lot younger. So, the foliage and the trees that are on these properties are much smaller. And,
It's turnkey.
It's turnkey. That's exactly the word I was looking for. So we can walk out to the front again, on the side of the house. And that's important as well. On both sides of the backyard, there is gates on both, so there's access on either side of the home. So as we pass on your left, you'll see the door. That is the entranceway into the laundry room. So that would be the mudroom, laundry room, the access.
And again, we've got another entrance into the garage. So that makes 2 man doors. One on the front porch, one here from the side. So handy. The mudroom door is right there. So if you're gardening or bringing in or out patio furniture, you name it, convenient for sure. Big garage. Double garage.
There we go.
Tons of room. storage solutions right in the garage.
Yeah, it's a full-size, full two-car garage. So, again, perfect for the family home.
And a deep driveway.
Deep driveway as well.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for being with us today at our virtual open house at our new listing at 765 Hawkins Crescent.
Thanks so much. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can reach us at karenpaul.com. Have a great day.